Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, heated front driver and passenger seats, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, CD player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.